Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. Today I will discuss on Excel. So Microsoft Excel have lots of operation and also have lots of advanced topics. Okay. So today I will discuss how to create chart in Excel, what is pie chart in Excel, what is combo chart in Excel, and also what is Sparklines. Okay. So go to the computer screen through Microsoft Excel application. I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss some of the advanced feature of Excel. So at first we create a chart in MS Excel, how to create. So at first we just see and we are doing it. So there is a given some table, some student's name is given and their marks is given, Bengali, English, physics, maths and statistics. So chart means whatever the table are given, it should be represented in the graphical manner or visualized way. So through graph or through some chart we can see whatever the table contain, the value should be shown in a graphical manner. Okay, so here just we put the total. So for that case we are using this sum. We already know this is a H9 is the last one for the stat is concerned. So out of this is a total is 400, and if we drag this, so we get all the total, right? So for the chart is concerned, we don't need this column, but still we find out this total. So at first what we do, so at first we select the total data set, whatever we need in the chart is concerned, then go to insert, and there is a given the chart. Suppose we at first choose this particular column, 2D column, okay, and put here suppose, and if you want to choose this one, so it's looks very good, the background is black and the different the bar is given, they are the vertical bar is given, and what the blue color is given in the deep blue is given in the Orco, this student data. The deep is concerning about this orange, the ash color is Jahid, the yellowish color is Ronnie, and light blue for the Shion, right? So if you want to put some chart title, so just go to that section, add chart element, there is a chart title is given, is a none. If you don't put any title, just go to above, then click there, and suppose we just put here the chart title, suppose mark sheet, okay, and also you can put the name of the axis also from y-axis or x-axis concerned. So just go to same way, add chart element, axis title, suppose primary horizontal, so this is the horizontal or the x-axis concerned, suppose here right here subjects, okay, and same way again go to axis title, the primary vertical part, and now if we just write here for example that this is the marks, right? So in that way you can create a chart in Excel, select the total data series and just go to insert, and this option is given, the chart is there. Okay, I hope you have understood how to create a chart in MS Excel, right? Now go for how to create pie chart. Okay, so to creating a pie chart, actually pie chart is concerning about out of 100 what are the percentages we are used for particular object or event. For example, the vitamins is given A, C, D, E, K, which is needed for human body is concerned. So estimated percentage in human body, A vitamin is need 14.30, C vitamin is need 16.70, D 32.30, E 16.70, and K is 20. So all total near about 100%. So we can create the pie chart for that type of data series. Okay, so same way, select the total data series means total table, then go to insert, and there is a pie chart is there. So just select one of them, select the first one, 2D pie, and if we just select this one, background is black and it's look better. This is the A vitamin is given the percentage, this is the C, this is the D, this is the E, and last one is K. Okay, so in same way, if you want to put some name of that So just go into this one, and chart title above is given. Already the title is given in that way, estimated percentage in human body percentage. So this name is already given into there, so we don't need to put the particular title is concern of the chart. Okay, so in that way we can insert a pie chart within the Excel, right? So pie chart is concerning about 100%. So out of 100, what are the different percentage are used by different event or object. So here the vitamin A to K, they took the different percentage, and if we all together in total, so it's near about 100, right? I hope you have understood how to create pie chart in MS Excel. Okay, now go for combo chart. Okay, so what is combo chart? Now combo chart is a combination of two or more chart types in a single chart. Using this feature, we can plot two or more set of values to show multiple types of data. Means in a single chart we can provide two different type of chart types, right? So how? So same way, at first we select this data series. What the data? The model is given some cycle, and the bicycle sold in the year 2023, the data is given, and also bicycle sold in the year 2024 for the current year is concerned, also given in according to the model is concerned. Okay, so model like classic, gear, hiking, lots of. Okay, so you select this total data series or total table, go to insert, and this is the option given, insert combo chart. Select it. Suppose we select the first one. So same way we put here and just put the color. Suppose this type is chosen, the black background. Very well. Now what happened? Just see, there is a two type of chart is given in a single chart. This bar chart, this vertical bar chart representing the bicycle sold in the year 2020-23, but this line chart shows the bicycle sold in the year 2024. Okay, same way you can put the chart title. Just go to this section, chart title above, and suppose this is bicycle sold in 2023 and 2024. Simple chart is given like that. So this in a single chart we can combine two different chart in a single chart is concerned. One type shows one type of data series, and another type of chart shows the another type of data series, but in a single chart. Okay, I hope you have understood how to insert combo chart in MS Excel and what is it actually. Okay, now go for Sparklines. Okay, so what is a Sparkline? Sparkline are mini charts that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of data, because we already know the chart, pie chart, the combo chart, all are the visual representation of data series or any table is concerned. Okay, this can be used to analyze the trends in our data. Excel will create Sparklines graphics for the specified data. So same data we are taken from the combo chart is concerned. So now we just see what the Sparkline shows for this comparison is concerned. Means bicycle sold in 2023 and the bicycle sold in 2024 for each and every model is concerned. Okay, so at first this section of data, okay, only select the model and the data for 2023 and 2024 is concerned. Now go to insert, and there is a option is a Sparklines, and we choose the first one, lines. Okay, and from there the data range is already selected from this G12 to I17. Okay, now location means where do we fit our Sparkline? So we fit in that section. Just select this range. Okay, and click OK. So just see, the Sparkline shows some graphical representation or visual representation. What? Classic, this model, the bicycle sold in 2023 year 2000, but in 2024 it decreased in 1650. So that's why the line is decreased. Same way for gear cycle it increased in the current year. So that's why the line is increased. Same way for hiking, this cycle model also increased. So that's why it's near about straight line. And also for electric it somehow decreased. So that's why the decrease is already shown as visual representation is concerned. So same way the rest tools also show the graphical representation using these Sparklines. I hope you have understood today's video what are the different charts and what are the different types of graphical or visual representation of data, how to represent and how to prepare or how to develop or how to create. So if you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.